Hi, I'm Michelle Borbring from StarBoard Solution. I'm the Vice President looking after Europe, Middle East and Africa, and today we're showcasing our brand new exciting solution. It's called the DrawBoard. The concept is that you're able to go from chalkboard to digital. And people may ask why we would go when the revolution of really interactive technology is moving away from the chalk. What we find is that people still like to create in an agile way. So they still want to create content, especially particularly in STEM subjects, where they might be using far more movement of the pen. They'll be able to capture what they're doing on the chalkboard and be able to actively transcribe all their imagery into the middle section. Again, if you wanted to go outside of this solution and you wanted to show video in the middle, so for instance, you may be showing a video that you'd like two students to collaborate each side using the chalk, you could go into the middle of the screen and show the Windows application on preview, and you can see quite clearly that you then go out of the analog environment right into digital environment. So essentially you're able to swap between both environments whether you're using content. It's a very exciting solution and we're having great feedback, especially in the higher education in audiovisual. For more information, please feel free to go to www.starboard-solution.com.